Welcome back to MarketPulse USA. In today's video, we're breaking down the latest U.S. stock market action, including key index behavior, support and resistance levels for SPY and QQQ, today's top stock movers, and a clean trading strategy you can use. Let's dive in. Number 1. Market recap. Major U.S. indexes advanced again today. The S&P 500 crossed the 7,000 mark for the first time ever, driven by strong tech and AI optimism alongside solid corporate earnings expectations, especially in semiconductor and software sectors. The Nasdaq also rallied near multi-session highs on broad tech strength, while the Dow saw mixed action with some sector rotation. Investors remain focused on the Federal Reserve's upcoming policy decision, with expectations of a pause in rate moves, keeping volatility in check. Number 2. SPY and QQQ key levels. Now let's break down the key technical levels you need to watch for SPY and QQQ. SPY, S&P 500 ETF. Support, 6860 to 6900. Buyers must defend this zone to keep the rally intact. Resistance, 7000 to 7040. This cluster includes the newly breached all-time high zone. QQQ, Nasdaq 100 ETF. Support, 6150 to 6200. This range has been tested several times and held. Resistance, 6300 to 6350. A breakout above this could signal more tech strength. These areas are where price reacts and institutional buyers/sellers are active. Number 3. Top stocks. Here are today's most watched stocks. Tesla. Tesla showed mixed movement today. Key support near the 430 to 440 range. Resistance around 450 to 470. Its earnings narrative and EV sector sentiment continue to drive volatility. Apple. Apple remains a focus name with support near 150 to 155 and resistance at 160 to 162. Its services and hardware outlook are bullish catalysts. Nvidia. Nvidia led much of the tech advance, with support around 186 to 188 and resistance around 208 to 220. Recent AI chip approvals helped sentiment. These setups are significant because they also influence broader tech sectors, which in turn help push indices like SPY and QQQ. Number 4. Trading psychology tip. Before taking any trade, here's a key reminder. Don't trade news, trade confirmation. Even when headlines are bullish, price must confirm at key levels. Otherwise, you risk chasing and entering near exhaustion points. One smart rule. Wait for a pullback into support followed by a strong candle close before entering. That discipline keeps you out of false breakouts. Number 5. Beginner lesson. Here's a beginner-friendly strategy you can start using today. Candlestick patterns. Look for a bullish engulfing candle at major support that's stronger than random green candles mid-range. RSI confirmation. RSI above 50 typically means momentum is with the buyers. MACD crossover. A bullish MACD crossover. MACD line crossing above the signal line after a pullback supports a long entry. When all three line up, price near support, RSI above 50, and MACD crossover, you've got a higher probability setup. Number 6. Market action summary. Today's break of the 7,000 level on the S&P 500 is historic and reflects strong investor confidence, particularly in AI and tech leaders. However, sectors like health insurance remain under pressure due to policy changes, and that's why we always watch sector breadth as well as index levels. Tech strength often leads the market now, so names like Nvidia, Apple, and Tesla are not just big stocks, they're market drivers. That's your full U.S. market update for today. SPY and QQQ levels, top stocks to watch, and a simple trading plan to execute with confidence. If you want daily support/resistance levels, top movers, and beginner setups, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for MarketPulse USA. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next update, not financial advice.